girls, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, what's up? If you're not, what's tea? Today we're doing a closet clean out. I've been feeling super unmotivated and just like I've just been feeling meh, okay? And I was like, you know what, let me try and organize, declutter, clean, and see if that will spark something inside of me. It probably might not, but it would be nice to look at a clean closet. Right now, this is what we're working with, okay? She is traumatic. No judging over here because, baby, life has just been lifing, and I mean, real bad. So this is what we have here. Very, very sparse because I couldn't care less. I just threw her on the floor at this point. And I have some more here. I have some stuff in. It's a whole mess, okay? So we're definitely going to get into all that today. I want to see how far I can get this done. I want to do like all my clothes. I want to do accessories, shoes, bags, hats, like every single clothing item. I want to kind of like see what purpose it serves. And we're going to like break them down into like 3 different piles, like keep, donate, sell. It depends. Like I could do like some things for my sisters, but my sisters really don't fancy my taste like that. So we're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to see about that. Okay, so the first part of the video is going to be me just like bringing everything out and like putting them into different piles. And then the next part of the video is going to be me uploading everything onto my digital wardrobe on Notion, which is a template I made to kind of like arrange my stuff. Because I feel like there's some stuff I would keep, but like I would never see. Like I would keep them, but I would never see them to wear. So like this digital wardrobe is basically going to like show me what I have at every point in time, when I'm keeping, when I'm selling, when I'm donating. Like it will always show me what I have at every point in time for every season, every single thing. If you want that template, make sure to check out the link below in my description. Let's get right into it. I'm actually kind of nervous right now. I honestly do not look forward to cleaning up my wardrobe. I don't know why. Like it's such a chore. I'm really not trying to do this right now, but let's get to it. So we are wrapped up with all my boxes. I have my keep, donate, sell pile down, and it's time for me to go bring out, what else do I need to go bring out? It's time for me to go bring out my other piles. So I got this skirt. I don't even know why I got this skirt. I think I was in a phase of my thoughty era and I needed something that was like super mini, and I got her like something for the club, you know, like something so cute for the club. But it's like the club scene is not really my thing anymore, you know. Like I do love a little club here and there. I always want to have like something to like wear. So I think I'm just gonna keep her. I'm gonna keep her for now. Keep her for now. These pants, I got them from Boohoo. And honestly, in my head, I had planned it with another fit and it didn't go together. And since it didn't go with that one fit, I hadn't worn her in a hot minute. I mean, the pants don't necessarily sit right on me. It's like straight leg pants, and I don't really like straight leg pants, if I'm being honest with you. So to donate or to keep, to donate or to sell, because I feel like somebody else could have like some good wear out of this. I've only worn this like once, honestly. I'ma just sell. I'ma just do that. Honestly, this skirt, I feel like I'm in a phase of my life where it's just like I'm over the cargo maxi skirt. But I feel like some people might be entering into that aspect of their life. So I think I'm just going to sell this. Like she's done me so good. She's been the one. So I'm gonna just keep her right there. Alright, this dude. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I got this to be a little thotty when I was back home in Lagos, and I never got to wear it just because I just feel like, I don't know, bro. I just feel like it didn't do what it needed to do when it needed to do it, and then I was just like not risking my boobs mistakenly popping out for any reasons. It was like, it's just like, should I keep, should I sell, should I give away? I haven't really worn her, and I would love the opportunity to do so. I think I'm gonna keep her. Fuck it. Like I like that. Okay, so this is kind of what we have right now for the keep pile. There's a lot there. We're trying everything on just to make sure that's exactly what I want to do. This is the donation pile and this is the sell pile. So I feel like we're making progress. We already went through all my hanging clothes and now we're going to go through the clothes in there, which is the one I'm dreading the most. Those are laundry clothes that I haven't been able to attend to in such a long time. But like, it's looking up. It's looking up for us. Hopefully I'll be able to get this done in enough time because we still need to try on all my keep clothes and make sure that that's what I want to do. So
The woman is like, basically, I have a friend waiting on the other side at Ghana. I need to give her this package. I need to give her this package. Please, like, you know, obviously you can say no if you want to, but if you can literally just take it to Ghana, she'll be waiting for you on the other side. I was just like, you know what? You just let me off 6 kg. Like, the least I can do is take this thing for you. So, do you know what's crazy? I didn't check the package until before boarding the flight. Like, in front of her, I wasn't like, okay, let me just see what's actually inside. I was just like, yeah, okay. And then I posted it on my Instagram story. People were just like, Victor, what the why are you doing this? There could be drugs in this. You know, people have gone to prison. This was around the time of that model that got sent to prison for smuggling. Exactly. They were like, Victor, are you trying to be the next one? Da-da-da. I checked the package, guys. One, it was hair. It was hair perfume and hair oil. I just said, you know what? Let me do it for my girl.
She needs to slay.
She needs to slay. And it was 613 as well. I said, I know she thinks she's going to eat in this. I need to help her.
yeah, I'm never halfway through and I'm over it. Dude! Like, this is just the first part. Like, I still need to try everything on and then take pictures of it to put in my digital wardrobe. And I'm like, I'm over it. I'm done. Okay, so I'm done taking pictures for my sell and donate. I'm excited about those. I really wanted to get that done. But now I'm out here thinking like, bro, should I actually try on these clothes? I feel like it's just, honestly, on God, I feel like we tried on these clothes just to be doing so much. Like, I know I'm gonna wear them. Like, there's really no need for me to try them on. To be honest. Like, I think I'm not gonna try them on. I'm just gonna like keep it pushing. I'm just going to like stack them up according to the seasons because I need to do that for my digital wardrobe and stack them like gym wear and all that type of shit and just hang everything up. Because me trying everything on, like, I be playing myself because I will not do it. Like, if I do it, then I will not finish this video. So we're just gonna, like, y'all are gonna know, like, this, see, like, this is what we're doing. Okay, like, boom, bam, pow type of shit, you know? Like, that's what we're gonna do. I got caught up watching Walking Dead. Honestly, bro, like, if you haven't watched Walking Dead, you need to. I feel like this is like the one series that I kind of screams horror just because like I think the dead zombies, like, low-key, they ate with that shit, bro. Like, they made that shit look so real. Like, I've been thinking, like, watching the show, I'd be thinking, like, bro, like, if the world was to end, like, today, like, everybody was turning into zombies today, would I want to be a zombie, would I want to be dead, or would I want to be surviving? Because, honestly, I feel like surviving is really not it, to be honest with you. Like, they out here, they in bath, you know, like, they look like they've been through it. Like, when they see, like, water, they're like, oh my gosh, water, hot water, da 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 da. But, oh God, I know people don't brush their teeth. Like, if a female's on period, right? Like, how does she handle that when the world has ended? Like, do you be going out on run to go get period pads, like, or tampons? Like, that doesn't just make sense to me. And I can't just, like, imagine myself, like, do you get what I mean? Like, you can't go and meet people and be like, oh, can I get some tissue to wipe my ass? Or get some wipes to wipe my ass? Because, like, the world has ended. Like, you coming out talking like, can I get some tissue to wipe? You look dumb as hell. Like, people out here struggling to get food. Like, you know, so I'm like, would I want to survive or would I just want to be dead? I know I wouldn't want to be a zombie because these zombies, bro, like, they be having this shit hard. Like, smashed in the head, stabbed in the neck. Like, damn. Like, I know they're dead, but I be feeling bad for them sometimes because, like, they be, like, driving over them, burning them. I'm like, damn. Like, let me just be dead. Like, like no reincarnation type shit, you know, like that's what I've been thinking. Like if it were you, bro, like would you want to come as a zombie? Like would you want to come back if the world were to end, right? Would you want to come back as a zombie or survive or just be dead? Like let me know. Let's get back to what we're doing because babes, it's literally already 4:29. 4:29. We started this at like 1. But I'm proud of myself. We've come so far. I've like packed up everything. Everything is packed in its place. I just need to like stack up or like arrange summer, spring, autumn pieces. And also gym wear. What else? I think that's about it. I think that's what I really need to do. So we're going to get to it right now. What I'm beginning to realize is my summer pile is extremely scary. Like, bro, compared to like my winter, fall, autumn, like this is it for winter, fall, autumn, bro. And I would not lie to you, like during this past winter, fall, autumn, like I was freezing to death. But like, I'm happy. So like, whether where, but like this is my gym pile right here. But this is spring and summer. We need to definitely build up on my winter, fall, autumn pile for sure. So that's something to like keep in mind, I would say. We're definitely packing that up right now. I'm stalling so bad. It's actually quite crazy. But right now I'm about to start taking pictures. I'm going to start with the smallest pile. Right now, we're going to start with the smallest pile, take pictures of those, and then add them to my digital wardrobe. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm gonna keep it 100%. I don't want to be here. I don't know, like, I don't see the joy in organizing. I don't see it. I really don't. I'm just like, I guess you do this because you have to get it done. Like, I don't see the joy in it. I'm stressed, I'm tired, I want to rot. I think it's also because of my mood. Like, I'm not really, what am I doing? I'm not really like in the best space, like mentally, I guess. And this was supposed to like boost something in me, but nothing has been boosted. I'm just like irritated. I'm finally done with the summer and spring pile. Like, we're done taking pictures of everything. I'm super excited, ready to hang things up. But on to tea. So one thing about me. So I'm currently watching Walking. We already had this conversation of me watching Walking Dead, right? But I'm at the part, yeah. If you watch Walking Dead, I'm at the part where Negan comes in. Now, I would set the scene. I'm going to like give you guys some tea on who Negan is. Negan is like Klaus, okay? But like, honestly, that's the only way I can explain it. Negan is Klaus. Like, if bad was a person, that's who Negan is. Like, he kills people for fun. But I love him. Like, I have 2 babies on this show. My first baby is Daryl, and my second baby is Negan. Because those are the type of people that just grow on you. Like, and Negan is the type of nigga, like, he will kill everybody and make sure his baby's okay. You know, like, so, like, I will write for him. That is so wrong to say, bro. Like, but I love me that Mia. I'm so excited. Like, oh, bruh. Like, some people are going to die so gruesomely. I don't know if I'm prepared for that, but the way they died was actually so gruesome. Like, but we're making so much progress. Like, I've been dreading the spring and summer pile, and now we're finally done with her. So I'm hyped. I'm just about to like hang everything up, tidy up everything, and then we're good to get into it. Okay guys, we are officially done with the wardrobe. I'm so hyped, I'm so excited. It doesn't look like much, but for me, like, this is so tidy. I haven't like had time to like get my laundry up and like actually like look at my clothes or anything like that. So I'm super excited for that. Now we're about to go set up my digital wardrobe and we're going to get that together because I want to be able to like physically and digitally see all my clothing pieces so that whenever I'm be like, oh, I don't have any clothes, I looked and I'll be like, bitch, yes you do. Okay, I couldn't finish up, I couldn't even start the digital wardrobe yesterday, so we're going to do it today. I know I wasn't going to do a day 2, but here I am on my productive shit, you know, like I'm so proud of myself, like, you know. And honestly, like, this whole video is honestly to spark some motivation for the girlies who are trying to be productive, like me. You could do it too, okay? Yeah, let's get to it. I already have all my pictures together. We have all the pictures. I'm going to leave the light on. We have all the pictures, and right now all I need to do is just upload everything to my computer. I made it simple for myself. I did like different albums, so when I go to my phone, I would just like pick out that album and add it to my computer type thing. So I'm not like confusing the clothes, okay? So let's get into it. Okay, we're done. I'm so excited. I feel so like my life is together, you know, like that's how I feel. But let me show you guys what I came up with. So this is her. She's so cute. Like, it makes me see that I don't have enough of certain pieces. I have maybe a little bit too many pieces of a certain color. It's time for me to expand the color range. Like, I'm super excited. Like, now I can visually see everything, because I feel like when you are in your closet and just like looking at stuff, like, you're like, maybe that's not too much, you know. But when you're actually seeing the colors coming together and you're seeing how many of the one certain color you have, you're like, maybe I should switch things up. Maybe I should be a little different, you know. Like, I'm so glad. I'm so excited. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. I do hope you guys had as much fun as I did. I hope this sparked some productivity inside of you. I will not lie, I did feel like shit yesterday, but I'm feeling good. I feel good. I feel like I achieved such a huge thing, even though it really wasn't. I feel like I did. So hopefully this sparks something in you. As I said previously, if you want to get the digital wardrobe or my wardrobe organizer template on Notion, just click the link below and she's all yours. Like, I want to see everyone win, okay? Like, we all need to win. We all need to be productive. We all need to get into those closets, those wardrobes, and get into our shit. You know what I'm talking about? Anyways, I will see you guys next week. Bye.